Okay, so we got a 2005 Jeep Liberty, 3.7 liter. Got the fuel tank out, let me explain why. So this customer came in, they thought they needed a starter. We went to go start the vehicle, it turns over, but it will not start. First thing I did was I pulled my coil out, hooked my tester up to it, and made sure I had spark at my coils. I have spark. We need fuel, air, spark, time, and compression for the engine to run. So what led me next to my Schrader valve here, I pressed the Schrader valve and barely any fuel came out. So then what I ended up doing was making sure that my fuel pump relay was good, my fuel pump fuse was good, and I think there's another fuse for the fuel pump in there. So what I ended up doing was I took my fuel pressure tester, I hooked it up to the Schrader valve, and while I was turning it over, I had 0 PSI. Nothing at cranking. I didn't have anybody to help me, so I used the floor jack. I put my phone on it underneath the tank. I turned the key on to see if I can hear the fuel pump. Can't hear the fuel pump. So, fuel pump. Anyhow, guys, keep wrenching. Have a good day.